Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create events using the KTern.AI platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home page and look for the Create icon, usually located at the top side of the page. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Event. Now fill in the event details. You'll need to provide the event name, describe the event agenda, specify the event span, and set the start and end times. Don't forget to list the participants. Link a parent task if needed. Add an event link, and provide the location. If you want to make sure the event time is blocked in your Outlook calendar, there's an option for that. Look for the Block Outlook Calendar toggle and switch it on. You're almost there. Double check your details, and if everything looks good, go ahead and create the event. That's a wrap for this tutorial on creating events using app.ktern.com.